my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story. A soft, emotional, and inspiring story about starting again in life. There was a boy named Dev. Dev was a hardworking boy. He had big dreams. He wanted to do something great. But one day, Dev failed in something important. He felt broken. He felt disappointed. He felt like his life stopped. He said to himself, I tried, but I failed. I worked hard, but I lost. Maybe I should stop. He stopped smiling. He stopped trying. He stopped believing. One evening, Dev went to the park. He sat alone, on a bench, thinking about his life. An old man was sitting nearby. He saw Dev's sad face. He walked to him and asked gently, "My son, why do you look so sad?" Dev answered slowly, "I failed. My dreams broke. I do not want to try again." The old man smiled kindly out and pointed to a tree. He said, "Do you see that tree?" Dev nodded. The old man continued, "That tree was once a tiny seed. When the wind blew, it fell. When the rain came, it broke. When storms came, it struggled. But every time, it stood up again. It did not say, 'I am weak.' It said, I will grow again. And today, it is strong. It is tall. It is beautiful." My friends, this message is for you too. Maybe you failed. Maybe you fell. Maybe life hurt you, but remember, it is okay to fall. It is okay to cry. It is okay to feel weak, but don't stop. Stand up, take a breath, and start again, because your story is not over yet. Ending line. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep believing. And always remember, you are strong enough to start again.